Traditionally, the idea of essence is defined by Aristotle as the function of an object. It answers the question of why the matter of the object is structured in the way it appears. The shape is related to the function it performs. This offers a somewhat satisfactory understanding of essence because it provides a pragmatic answer that can be directly observed. However, when we ask what the essence of function itself is, independent of a specific object having an essence, the answer becomes more difficult. The only explanation one can provide is that the reason for anything, or more specifically its function, is a conception. Essence is a conception because it relates to the becoming, coming into being of the object, which is born into existence. This means it comes into being doing what it does, and more subtly, it is determined into being by some kind of knower of what it does. The function it performs is the very reason the object came into being instead of remaining nothing. This does have to resort to God because any living organism is a knower of the reasons why objects exist. Otherwise, it would be able to use them. However, the intuition for God always arises as an answer to ultimate questions because there is an aspect of the final end of all things, something to which everything ultimately resorts and ends, that comes to mind when we speak of the true essence of all things. When examining any object, mentioning its purpose is often mocked, as if it has no relation to the quantitative measure used to study it. For example, if we discuss the length, width, density, and structure of a chair, pointing out that it has the essence of being sat on is dismissed as an obvious fact unrelated to how tall, wide, or thick it is. Yet the quantitative nature of a thing is based on its function. The physical shape of an object is determined by the reason it serves. Still, we are often encouraged to ignore this when discussing an object's physical stature. For instance, chairs need a base to support a platform for sitting, preferably with some kind of backrest.